It's designed a little bit more for using your calculator because it's using decimals, and it gives us a bunch of information. It tells us the sum of the first 15 numbers is 93.75. We know it's an arithmetic series where our common difference is 0.75. And we know that the last term is 11.5. So what we're going to do with all the formulas we have, and so far we've learned 3 formulas, a TN formula and 2 SN formulas. The question is there a formula where we could plug in information so there's only one thing we don't know? For example, if I take this formula, this is the first one that jumped out to me, and I say, what do I all know? I know S15. So I could put in 93.75 for S15. If it's S15, then what's N? 15. Do I know what term 1 is? No. So that's one thing I don't know. Do I know term 15 though? Yes. Term 15 is 11.5. All divided by 2. I plug something into one of the formulas and I have only one thing that I don't know. So that means if you have an equation with only one thing you don't know, you can use your algebra skills to get that one thing by itself. Any suggestions that will help me get term 1 all by itself? What would you like to do first? Multiply both sides by 2. Love it. Excellent. Multiply both sides by 2. That will simplify the 2 on that side, and 93.75 times 2. Someone check that, please. 187.5. Okay? And now we on this side have still 15 times term 1 plus 11.5. What do you like to do next? Divide both sides by 15? I'll do that in green. So whatever math we're doing on each step, I'll do in green. Okay, that's nice because 15 divided by 15 is 1, so those would simplify. And again, someone check my math. Is this 12.5? Okay, good. Now to get term 1 by itself, subtract 11.5 on each side. Oh, I was going to do that in green. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, man. They used to have a better color code thing. Yeah, let's do, which green did I use? This green? Okay. Yeah, okay. There we go. Whew. Got to keep things proper here. So now, these 11.5s, that'll be 0. We have successfully got term 1 all by itself on this side and subtracting 11.5. It is 1. So nice, so simple. We have the answer at the bottom. The first term is 1. Good. If you wanted to find the first 3 terms, now we know term 1 is 1. We know that D is 0.75. So term 1 would be 1. Term 2 will be 1.75. Term 3 will be 2.5. This was term 1. This was term 2. This was term 3. A little note about language. In this question, it said arithmetic series. Whenever we use series, we add in between. Whenever we use sequence, we put a comma in between. A series is adding up a sequence. That's the definition of a series. So when it says determine the first 3 terms of the series, that's why it's written with a plus sign in between rather than just commas. Okay, questions for homework are 7, 10, and 15. And if you want to challenge yourself, please try number 16.